Welcome back to Auto Vibes Reviews, the place where car lovers find honest takes and real-world reviews. Today we're diving into the fresh for 2025 Citroën C1, a compact city car that's back with a modern twist, sharper styling, and a surprisingly smart approach to urban driving. The front fascia has been reworked with a more sculpted grille and slim LED headlights that now give the car a confident, almost futuristic look. The daytime running lights form a sharp signature that really stands out in traffic. And around the back, you'll notice a cleaner, more minimal design with updated tail lamps and a reprofiled bumper that adds a touch of sporty flair. It's compact, but the C1 doesn't shy away from turning heads. The color palette is worth mentioning too. Citroën's offering some bold dual-tone options this year, and those 15-inch alloy wheels with diamond-cut finishes, they add just the right touch of class to an otherwise playful package. Step inside, and you'll notice how much effort has gone into modernizing the cabin. It's still compact, but Citroën has made some clever design choices to make it feel airy and tech-savvy. The dashboard now comes with a floating 8-inch touchscreen that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is smooth, intuitive, and leagues better than the outgoing model. The digital driver's display is minimal, but does the job, giving you clear access to speed, range, and efficiency stats. The materials, while not premium, are definitely a step up. Soft-touch surfaces in key areas, playful trim colors, and a minimalist layout make the interior feel more stylish than you'd expect in this price bracket. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Citroën C1 comes with a refined 1.00-liter three-cylinder petrol engine, delivering around 72 horsepower. It's not a rocket ship, but that's not the point of this car. What it offers is punchy acceleration in city driving, super light steering for tight maneuvering, and a compact footprint that makes parking an absolute breeze. The 5-speed manual gearbox is smooth and easy to use, and for those looking for less involvement, there's also a CVT option that's surprisingly refined for a city car. Fuel economy is another strong point. Expect close to 60 miles per gallon in mixed driving, thanks to the lightweight build and efficient powertrain. Citroën has also improved insulation, so the cabin is noticeably quieter on the motorway compared to the previous version. Now to the price. The 2025 Citroën C1 starts at just under $14,000 in the UK, with higher trims pushing closer to $17,000. For that money, you get solid equipment like automatic climate control, rear parking sensors, a reversing camera, and even lane departure warning in the top trim. It's a seriously good value for city dwellers or anyone looking for an affordable second car. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Citroën C1 continues to embrace its role as a fun, efficient, and user-friendly city car, but now with more tech, a sharper design, and better refinement than ever before. It's not for thrill seekers or long-haul drivers, but for urban life, it ticks nearly all the boxes. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Auto Vibes Reviews, and hit that bell so you never miss our latest.